Welcome back to Behind the Scenes Pro, and today we will continue our journey of Pharma Simplified. In last video, we have seen the importance of attributable data. Today, we will go ahead and see the next criteria of the Alcoa Plus principles, that is legible data. What do you mean by legible data? A data which can be viewed with naked eyes, right? So, to give an example, imagine you have visited a supermarket and brought so much of stuff. For example, some groceries, some electronic items, some fruits, some vegetables, and etc. Right? You went to the billing counter. The billing person generated the bill and gave it to you. You saw the final amount. What is that amount? You paid it, but you didn't see the entire bill. The bill was not printed properly. The date on the bill was vanished. The bill number was vanished. And few of item names and the prices were also vanished. But who cares? Even I don't care, right? We paid the amount, we went back to home, and when we checked some electronic items, we saw one of the item is a defective piece. Now what should we do? We have to go back to the supermarket and we have to replace it, right? You went to the supermarket rushing with that defective item. You went there on the counter, you shown the item, it is defective, and you shown the bill. But the bill doesn't have the date. It is completely vanished. The bill number is vanished. Who will trust you that you have bought it today itself, just few hours ago? Right? Because the person sitting on the billing counter is not washing your face, right? Then there will be some investigation steps. They will go and see the CCTV camera. They will see the backup of that particular system, and they will see whether you have really bought this today itself. And then it will take much more time, right? But to avoid this time, if at first time you said to the billing counter person that, bro, this is not printed properly, print it again and give me proper print, your time might have been saved, right? Similar way, this is about a routine life example, right? But when it comes to a pharma industry, it is a crime. Why I am saying so? Because just imagine you have generated one record today, maybe handwritten or maybe a printed document from any digital tool or SCADA system, and the document has to be maintained or archived as per the life cycle, right? Life cycle policy. Most generally 1 year after expiry date of that particular product. But after 3 or 4 years of manufacturing or generating that particular document, if some incident happens and if the auditor asks for the documents of that particular batch which was generated 3 years back, and if the data is not legible, there was some issue with the temperature, maybe, and when they go through the document and they see that the print is not legible, after 3 years, the temperature at that particular time or that particular step is not visible. How would the investigator investigate the root cause behind that particular incident, right? So, to maintain the legibility of that particular data is the responsibility of a pharma professional. And that's why it is considered to be a non-negotiable for pharma industry documents. That's all about the legible data, and we will meet tomorrow with the next criteria of Alcoa Plus principles. Thank you very much.